Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you magic potato cream in 3 days removes wrinkles, pigmentation and dark spots naturally with very simple ingredients. We can prepare this effective cream and use it 3 days every day, and you will notice a great results in any kind of, if you have wrinkles, pigmentation or dark spots, this will disappear and you will get baby looking skin naturally. The first ingredient we will need is 1 potato, and we need to shred it. Now we need to strain it. To get the fresh potato juice, we need around 3 teaspoons of fresh potato juice. Once we get fresh potato juice like so, my friends, we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, then we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour and mix well all the ingredients. Once we get this cream paste like so, apply it on your skin, apply it on clean skin that has no makeup or dust, and apply generous amount. Leave it overnight and you're going to use it 3 days in a row. You will notice a great results in your skin. Any pigmentation or dark spots will disappear naturally, and the wrinkles also will disappear. This is super effective method and super helpful.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.